Hey everyone, TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. Here we are, the 27th of June, 2025, the last full week of June. And then we have one more day in June. That's one more trading day. That's Monday next week. But it looks like we're seeing a lot of profit taking at the end of the month, which is usual. Nothing unusual about that. It's normal. Right now, we're looking at the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin has been doing had a good week. It's been going sideways for 3 days, though, staying around this 107,000 range, right in there. It got down to 98,000 earlier in the week, Monday, I believe it was. Yeah. No, Friday. Friday last week, it got down to 98,000. And then we just had a stellar day on Monday. It shot right back up above 105,000 and then got up to 107,000 and then been going sideways for 3 days. So if it starts to come down and you want to buy Bitcoin, I would put a buy limit at about 106,300. 106,300 for a buy limit. It's you can see this bullish trend line here. So it's likely that it's going to come down and bounce off of the trend line and then continue up. So around 106,300, 106,400 in that range is a good price to buy Bitcoin. If you're a Bitcoin trader, I don't trade Bitcoin, I just buy once a month DCA, dollar cost averaging, as a digital asset for the future and investment. So we'll come over here and we'll look at DXY. I love to look at DXY. Oh my goodness. So it's the same old story. It just keeps going down. We did have earlier in the week, after the Trumpty Dumpty, he decided to bomb Iran, and everybody kind of freaked out and was buying gold like crazy. And there was a big rush on gold, and it went really high. But then in the very same day, after everybody got over the news about the bombing, then gold started to come back down. And that's usual, that's normal. When you see a big news item come out like that, there's always a knee jerk reaction, one direction, and then the market gets over the news and it goes right back to what it was doing. And what the US dollar has been doing is going down ever since the mid of January. Ever since Trumpty Dumpty became president of the United States, the dollar has been declining. You can go back and look at the chart if you want on the monthly chart. Go back to mid-January and you'll see that's when the decline started. And now here we are, just keeps going down all week long, all week long. There's some green candles, yeah, but those are not sustainable retracements, and it continues to go down. And this low where we are now, this is where we were 5 years ago. And that was just before COVID. And then during COVID, of course, you remember the dollar went even lower, but then it started to come back up. So we'll just see what happens. I believe we're going to continue to see lower prices on the US dollar. Maybe right now it's at 97. I believe it'll get down to about 89 or 90. A continuing decline in the US dollar. Just go back on the chart as far as you want. I don't care. Go back to mid-January. You see that? That's the US dollar. Down, 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 down. But the interest rate on the US dollar is still high. The interest rate in the US is still around 4.5%, which is very high. And Trumpty Dumpty doesn't like that. He's all pissed off with Jerome Powell. But they got a real drama going over in the US. So anyway, that's the DXY, the dollar index. That's US dollar compared with 6 major currencies. Let's go up and look at gold. I know everybody wants to look at gold. What is gold doing? Gold has had an amazing day. At the end of the month, you always get profit taking. This is normal. At the end of the month, you see this every month. At the end of the month, it's normal, nothing unusual. So when you woke up today, if you're in the Asian Pacific region, you should have started selling gold and just watch it go down. It's already dropped about $70 today and a little bit more, 700 pips just today. And right now we're looking at the 1 hour chart. So it got down to 32.62. No, lower than that, 32.55. 32.55 was the low today. I don't think it will go any lower than that. We have support at 32.65, 32.68, right in that zone right here. This is our support. Went a little bit below support and then came back up. That's the 1 hour chart. So if you look on the 15-minute chart, you see it's already starting to recover. Okay, each one of these candles is 15 minutes. It's already starting to recover. It looks like it's going to come back up to our resistance here. It was around this zone for several hours earlier today, and that's at 32.91. So if you want to buy with a small lot size, don't buy big. Okay, gold is bearish now. Gold is bearish on the day chart and the 4 hour chart. Gold is bearish, and when something is bearish, what do we want to do? We want to look for an opportunity to sell. So if it does come up to 32.91, that would be a good place for a sell limit. And then we might see it start to go back down. But I'm not taking any more trades today. I took a trade in the Asian Pacific market, and then I took a trade in the beginning of the US market after the news came out, and had some good profit today. But that's enough for today. Okay, gold might continue up to resistance at 32.91, or it might just start to go back down now to our support level there at 32.62, and then break below that even. Maybe go back down to 32.55. So we just have to wait and see. The Wall Street, the stock market just opened a few minutes ago, so there's still a couple of good hours left in trading. If you want to trade gold, I would recommend you look for an opportunity to sell. It looks like it's hesitating now. We have a kind of a doji forming right now on the 15-minute chart. We'll go to the 5-minute chart. Yeah, okay, we're getting a lot of indecision now. It's made a big recovery. Made a big recovery in the last 30 minutes after going down to 32.55. But now here's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, indecision in the market. So it looks like it's going to turn around, start to go back down. So this would be, just take a small trade. If you want to take a small sell trade, take a small lot size and put your stop loss up above here, up above this previous high, and your take profit on that support level, 32.62. But this is a 5-minute candle. Wait till that candle finishes, okay? Always wait till the candle finishes if you're trading on the 5-minute chart. It looks like it's trying to go up now, but not sure. We have another 45 seconds on this candle. I wouldn't take a sell order just yet. It's a lot of indecision in these last few minutes. Right now trading at 32.75. Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to like and share. And leave me a comment. What do you think gold is going to do? Is it going to keep going down? Or is this the low that we're going to see for June? And now we'll start to see higher prices. What do you think? So it looks like the bears, they're trying to get control again. They want to start pushing the price back down. You got three dojis right there in a row. A lot of indecision in the market. They don't know what to do. Keep going up or start going down. I would wait until I get a bigger candle. This is the kind of candle you want to see. With these small candles here, there's no clear direction. You'll get trapped. You get trapped in a bull trap or maybe a bear trap. Wait till we see some clear direction. Now trading at 32.73. Looking like it wants to go back down, but not clear yet. It's not clear. Where's my EMA, my moving average? I don't seem to have that on this chart. Well, we can put the 3 in there. Okay, here's our moving averages. This red line is the 3 EMA, and it looks like it's going to close below that. Now we're getting a little bit bigger candle. This is looking more bearish. Yeah, there we go. Okay. This is looking good, but I would wait for this candle to close, but this is looking more bearish now. The market seems to have made their mind up. Now they're going to take it back down to 32.62. But don't rush. Don't just wait. Wait till this candle closes. If it closes right here where it is now, that's good. I would take a sell trade. But wait till that candle closes. Another 3 minutes. This is the thing, if gold is bearish, you want to look for an opportunity to sell. And that's what we're looking for right now, is an opportunity to sell. But we want confirmation. We want to be sure. We don't want to get in a bear trap or a bull trap. Neither one of those are much fun. You get stuck in a trade and then you have a loss. But of course, if you sell here, then just put your stop loss right here above this previous high. Okay, protect your capital, protect your investment. But be patient. Let's don't chase the candles. Don't chase the price. Let this little 5-minute candle finish. And if this comes on down and closes a little bit lower, then that would be a good indication to go ahead and take a sell trade, because it's likely to come right back down here. Because we've had some recoveries during the day. You see all these, tries to come back a little bit, comes back a little bit, comes back a little bit. But overall, the whole day, it's just been bearish. But you want to get in at a good price. You don't want to sell low. You don't want to go short at a low price. You don't want to go short down here for sure. Okay, so now some more indecision, getting another doji. You see why I say to wait till the candle closes. If you got excited when you saw that big red candle there and you clicked sell, now you're stuck. You're already losing. 1 minute and 15 seconds before this candle closes. Let's see what it's going to do. Of course, this is a 5-minute chart. I don't know if you trade on the 5-minute chart. I prefer to trade on the 15-minute chart. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Yeah, that looks like a good bearish candle. Okay, it came up to our moving average and then fell back down. So this is starting to look a little bit better. I prefer to trade on the 15-minute chart. And this 15-minute candle will close in about 30 seconds. So if you want to go short, this is a good price to go short. 32.71, and take profit at 32.55. It's been there before 2 times. It'll probably go again. 32.55. It's the end of the month, and we always see profit taking like this. Everybody taking profit from gold. So now it's the next candle started. See, I told you. It's looking bearish now. So sell here, put your stop loss at 32.78, 32.79. Put your stop loss at 32.79, and your take profit at 32.65, or no, 32.62. Take profit at 32.62. Or you can put your take profit a little bit lower where we were earlier, 32.55. Okay, if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Remember, day after tomorrow, every Sunday, I make my weekly analysis for gold and all the major pairs, and I share my pending orders with you to help you make profit trading Forex. So if you took that sell trade, you're already in profit right now. It's starting to go back down. This was just a pullback, a retracement. It doesn't mean you see two green candles. It doesn't mean gold is bullish. Gold is bearish. See, if you took that trade after this candle here, you're already in profit. Look at that. Okay, that's it from me for today. TGIF, thank goodness it's Friday. I hope you have a good trading session, finishing out the end of the week. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them below. Don't forget to like and share on Facebook. I really do appreciate that. And I will see you again on Monday. Be sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you'll get Sunday's video, my weekly analysis with all of my pending orders. Okay, have a great weekend wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next week.